Hello people and welcome to Follow Internet. In this video I am going to show you how attackers inject photo on someone's browsers when someone try to browse something. Open up your terminal on Kali Linux machine. We are before download man in the middle framework. Now we are going to open our man in the middle framework. Man in the middle framework, enter. Python man in the middle framework dot py dash I means interface, Ethernet 0 dash dash spoof. You can spoof something, this means getting something. Dash dash ARP, which means connection reverse process. Dash dash DNS dash dash target. Now open up Windows 7 operating system that used someone. Type cmd, enter. After getting this command prompt, enter ipconfig, enter. Here you can see IPv4 address is, and this is default gateway that we are need. Remember it. Now come back our Kali Linux machine. After target, dash dash gateway. It will take default gateway from victim. Dash dash host dash dash img rand. img rand stands for image random. Dash dash img dash directory. /root /pics. These roots and peaks, you can open up your file structure, click on it, open folder. Under root you can see here peaks. This folder before we are created, you can create now a folder, name it anything. Under this folder you can download couple of photos that I was download before, anonymous photos. You can use your personal photos and that you need these photos that someone want to see when browse their internet. Okay, now I'm going to close this. Come back our terminal. Hope you understand. Root pics, this is our folder destination, image directory that need. Hit / enter. Now our man in the middle framework are working on. Remember one thing, this is only education purpose, not for anything else. You can try it only your own virtual machine. Remember this. Now open up Windows operating system that we are used for our victim. Open up browser that you can use anything. Now you can search anything. In my case, Shah Rukh Khan. Enter. Remember, this is victim browser. Okay, when victim try to access their browser, victim only can see our destination folder images. These anonymous images were uploaded our pics folder. When someone try to search on Google something, you can see only appear our images, anonymous images that comes from our pics folder under root directory. We had explained it before. See here, those images also coming from our anonymous image. This is why for this reason man in the middle framework are so famous. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more, you can check out our playlist. If you want to install man in the middle framework on your Kali Linux machine, you can check out our playlist. Thank you for watching this video.